welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. So I'm at home and I feel for a piece of sweet potato pie. So I'm just gonna whip something up because I do have the sweet potato at home. So here are my ingredients for today. I'm using my oat milk. You know that I use, I just make some oat milk there, and sugar, vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla extract. I'm using some evaporated milk and some salt with an egg, which I just separated my egg whites from my egg yolk. Just one egg because I'm cutting this recipe in two. And here's my pie crust. And over here, I have my sweet potatoes that are already cooked. So I'm just going to set my toaster oven for, I'm doing it in the oven today for 350, and then we'll get the ball rolling, all right? We need a cup of sweet potato, so now that my sweet potato is mashed, I just had a half a cup of sugar to my sweet potato. I'm gonna add my spices, a 4 teaspoons of cinnamon, a 4 teaspoons of nutmeg, a 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, just like a 1/4 of vanilla powder. This is like 3 1/3, a little bit over a third of melted butter, and my egg yolk. I'm gonna mix these together before adding my egg whites. I'm gonna add a little less than a cup of my milk, around 2/3. Make sure it's well mixed, and now I'm going to add my egg whites. Like a 1/4 of a cup of evaporated milk. Now I'm gonna pour this into my gluten-free pie crust. I'm gonna put this in the oven and have it bake for 45 minutes. I'll see you guys when we're finished. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check your pie at 40 minutes, and if it's not completely finished, then give it another 5 minutes. So my FK gang, I'm finished. I'm finished my little dessert, my little sweetness. I hope you guys enjoy. Here is my sweet potato pie. And I haven't tasted it yet, but I think it's perfect. How do you think it looks? I hope you guys enjoy. And so my FK gang, as you know, I feed the body and I feed the soul. So here is my scripture for the day. My scripture for today is coming from 1 Corinthians 3 verse 13. And now abideth faith, hope, love. These three, but The greatest of these three is love. The greatest is love. And remember that. Faith, hope, love. The greatest is love. Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today. It takes a strong heart to love, but it takes an even stronger heart to continue to love after it's been hurt. So just think about my scripture for the day and my message of the day. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I love you too. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell everyone what goes on in Fergie's Kitchen. Have a good one. Bye-bye.